how to make the most out of Emmybest Ventures. There are two ways you make money from Emmybest Ventures. Number one is either you use the product by yourself. I mean, you are buying your airtime at cheap rates and you earn passively that way, or you resell for people at your convenient price and earn actively in that way. You log into your account, your secured account, only you can access it. Log in. Okay, you get access to your account on Emmybest Ventures. Your selling price, if you plan that you want to start reselling for people, your selling price, if your selling price is lower than your cost price, that is a bad business and there is no gain in it. So the first and foremost thing you should do is to what? Check our price list on Emmybest Ventures. Then you resell at your convenient price. By so doing, you have your gain. So now, how to check your price list? You first check your current plan. You remember, the higher the plan you are, the cheaper price you access. Now for the current plan partner, click on my account, you go to price list, loading. Yes, you make it big so you can easily access, or you check it from your laptop or anywhere. We offer over 143 products for now, so you can also resell. Your earning is not limited, it's unlimited. You earn a lot, as so far you can sell more, you earn more. So you look at the area where you are. The most demanding thing is airtime, data, cable TV and electricity bills. So you check our price list on that. Let me look for the MTN data. Okay, MTN data 1 GB SME for 30 days, number 66 here. Emmybest Ventures sells it at 350 naira. I cannot sell it for 350, so I must have a visible gain. So let me say I'm selling MTN 1 GB for 500. That means I will have 170 per 150 per transaction. And having that 150 per transaction, if I have as low as 5 customers daily, I sell only that 1 GB for them, then I will have like I will have 750 per day. So if I'm recording 750 every day for 30 days, that should be 22,500 on only MTN 1 GB SME. That's other products. So then what if I'm selling airtime, selling other network, selling MTN 5 gig, selling MTN 2 gig? Now imagine the gain. Maybe it's like 5 on each now. It will be more. So you check your the price list Emmybest Ventures sells it at, then you record it and you put your convenient price. That is good business. Same thing to as all of them, but don't forget to upgrade your plan level so that you can access cheaper price, and always make sure your wallet balance is enough to avoid pressure when you want to sell, so that so that is how to make the most of Emmybest Ventures.